Hello students, welcome back to Math Lab. Okay, today we are going to start the next exercise 11.2. So we going to the exercise 11.2. You need to know the trigonometric table to solve the problems in the exercise 11.2. Now let us start the table here. So as per the table, the angle is at A, and these are the trigonometric ratios: sin A, cos A, tan A, cot A, secant A, and cosecant A. And here you have the angles: 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. So in order, most of the students get confused in remembering the trigonometric table. So I just want to explain you a trick. You might have heard about the trick already. Just want to repeat you the same thing. So please check, assume the angle starts from the 0, right? So take the numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The number that you got, the last one is 4. So now divide all these things with 4. So 0 divided by 4, 1 divided by 4, 2 divided by 4, and 3 divided by 4, and 4 divided by 4. So you need to remember this angle: 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. So the angle starts at 0. So let us start the numbering from 0, 0, then 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So the last number is 4. Using this 4, divide all the numbers by 4. 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Now, to remember these things, so now make a square root of all the values: square root of 2 by 4, square root of 3 by 4, square root of 4 by 4. Now, the value for 0 by 4 is 0. The value for 0 by 4 is 0. Here we can write as root 1 divided by root 4. So the value of root 1 is 1, and the value of root 4 is 2. So the first value for sine 0 degrees is 0, and the value of sine 30 degrees is 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2. Now, 2 ones are 2 twos are. They both get cancelled, and you will be left out with root over 1 by 2. Now you can split them: root 1 divided by root 2. So the value of root 1 is 1, and you do not have a fixed value for root 2, or the value for root 2 is 1.414. So we cannot write that value here. So the value for the sine 45 degrees would be root 2. Now root 3 by 4. Now let me solve it for you here. So root 3 by, and the root 3 by 4. Split them again. The root 3 divided by root 4. Root 3 remains same, as it does not have a fixed value, and the root 4 value is 2. So now this becomes root 3 divided by 2. And for 90 degrees, you can see that 4, 4 both gets cancelled, and you will be left out by 1 by 1. The value of 1 by 1 is 1. Root 1 value is 1. And in the first scenario, 0 by 4 is 0. So root of 0 is also 0. So if you can remember this trick and write the values of sine A, then you can build up the other trigonometric values depending upon the first sine value. So the values you got in the sine A, they will be in the reverse order. They will be in the reverse order as cos A. So now the last value of sine A is 1. So cos A 0 degrees value is 1. And the next one is root 3 by 2. And the next one is 1 by root 2. 45 degrees remains same. And for the value of 30 degree, value of cos 60 degrees, the reverse one, which is 1 by 2. The first value of sine A and the last value of cos A is same. So basically, the values that you got in the sine A will be reversed in cos A. Now for tan, we know that the formula for tan A is sine A upon cos A. Sine A upon cos A. Now the value of 0 by 1 is 0. 0 by 1 is 0. Now divide sine 30 degrees by cos 30 degrees, which is, let me write here, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. Both of the 2's gets cancelled. You are left out with 1 divided by root 3. So the value of tan 30 degrees would be 1 by root 3. Now the next value, tan 45 degrees. Here you can see 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. Root 2 gets cancelled. Now you're left with 1 by 1, which is 1. Next, the value of sine 60 degrees divided by cos 60 degrees, which is tan 60 degrees. Both the 2's gets cancelled, and you are left out with root 3 by 1, which is root 3. Now the last value, which is 1 divided by 0. Always remember, if denominator, which is, this is denominator and this is numerator. If denominator is 0, then its answer would be, then its answer would be infinity. Or you can say undefined value. You can use both the words, infinity or undefined. Now in the same similar way, the values are reversed in the cot A. So the last value of tan A would be the first value of cot A. So the last value is infinity, or you can use the word undefined. And the next value is root 3, and the next value is 1. The next value is 1 by root 3, and the next value is 0. Now secant A. As we know that the secant A is reciprocal of cos A, which is 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A. Secant is 1 by cos A. So the value of 0 degrees of cos A here is 1 divided by, what is the value of cos A? 1. So 1 by 1 will become 1. Now cos A, 1 divided by cos A. Cos A value is root 3 divided by 2. So the 2 shifts here. So this becomes 2 divided by root 3. Or else you can write them directly in the reverse way. So you have the value of cos A is root 3 by 2. Then the secant A would be reverse of it. So 2 by root 3. And the next value is 1 by root 2. You can write in reverse way. Root 2 by 1 is root 2. And the value of cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2. And the secant value would be reverse of it. It would be 2 by 1, which is 2. So, and the secant A value of 90 degrees, the cos 90 degrees is 0. You can write it in reverse way. So this becomes 1 by 0. As we have discussed, the value of 1 by 0 is undefined or infinite. So I'm writing infinite. And for the last case, you can just reverse them. So the last value of secant A would be the first value of cosecant A. So the next value of secant A is 2. And the next value of secant A is root 2. And the next value of secant A is 2 by root 3. And the next value of secant A is 1. So you just have to remember the first sine A value. If you can remember these values, then you can build all the other trigonometric values here. So if you want to write the reverse order of the secant A, then it would be 1 by sine A. Okay, I hope you understand. Now let me repeat it again. The values are 0, 30, 40, 45, 60, 90 degrees. So let me start the number count from the 0. The first angle 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the last number is 4. We divide every number by 4 and we keep a square root of it. From this, we get the values as 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Now for the cos A, it is reverse of the sin A. So the last number would be the first number. The 60 degrees value will be for the 30 degrees, 45 degrees remain same. 30 degrees of sin A will be 60 degrees of cos A. 0 degrees of sin A would be 90 degrees of cos A. And for the tan A, you need to divide sin A by cos A. We know that the tan A form has sin A by cos A. So we divide them. 0 by 1 is 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled and you're left with 1 divided by root 3. Here all the numbers gets cancelled, you will get 1. Now here 2 gets cancelled, root 3 by 1 is root 3. So 1 by 0. You need to remember this value clearly. If for any problem, if the denominator is 0, then its answer would be infinite, or else you can use the word as undefined as per the textbook. Now for the tan A, it would be the reverse of, now for the values of cot A, it would be the reverse of tan A. So the indefinite will be first, and then root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. Now for the secant A, it's the reciprocal of cos A. So you can write them in reverse way. 1 by 1 is 1. You can flip it. You can write 2 by root 3. Here you can flip it again. Root 2 by 1 is root 2. Here you can flip it. 2 divided by 1 is 2. If you are flipping it, you will get 1 by 0, which is undefined or infinity number, infinite. Now for the cosecant A, it's the reciprocal of sin A, but we can directly write in the reverse order of the secant A. So the last value of secant A would be the first value of cosecant A. Infinite, 2, root 2, 2 by root 3, and 1. So this is how you make the trigonometric table. And if you have any doubts on this, you can message me in the comment section.